Hey everyone. In this video, I wanted to talk about rule 4. Work your butt off. In England, work your bottom off, which just doesn't have the same impact. So we talked about we have a vision and we're thinking big. We're ignoring the naysayers. Now, how do we make this a reality? And the truth is, we just have to work really, really hard to attain that vision we want. There's no secret, there's no magic about it. We have to be willing to put in the work. We never want to fail at something because we didn't try hard enough. Now, as I've said many times, it's okay to fail. We all fail at things, but we learn from that and we do better next time. But don't fail because I didn't put in the effort. Don't half-ass it and hey, I do this thing and I didn't fail because I didn't really care. I didn't really put that effort in. We give it our best. We try our best. We put in the work. And if we put in that work and we don't succeed, then we redouble our efforts. We try again. We learn something. But you have to put that work in to get to our vision. There are some people that are naturally talented. They just have ability. I'm not one of those people. I have to work super hard at anything. But I think hard work trumps just some natural ability. As The Rock says, be the hardest worker in the room. Now, we have to be smart about how we do this. We all have different things. We have different priorities. There are things going on in our lives. I think one of the biggest things to do is don't procrastinate. You have these tasks to do, just do them. We often have things we don't really want to do. So we push it off. But what have you achieved by that? You still have to do it. It's not going to get any better over time. And as I push it off, all I'm constantly thinking in the back of my mind as I'm doing other things is, oh, I need to get that thing done. So I'm not enjoying as much the other things because I'm stressed about this thing that I've left out there. So don't procrastinate. If you've got things to do that you have to get done, just get them done. Don't put it off to tomorrow. Just get it done. It's going to suck, but it's going to suck tomorrow as well. Get it done, get it off your plate. You don't have to worry about that. There are different priorities as well. We have family, we have work, we have downtime. And I think the key thing is to make them all productive and valuable experiences. When we work, we work. When I'm going to have family time, make it quality family time. If I sit on the couch for 3 hours watching Netflix and my family happen to be in the same room, is that quality time for anyone, really? Or would 30 minutes actually interacting be a better use of my time? Don't waste your time. People spend hours watching the news, watching social media, agreeing with other people that have the same negative opinions they have. Yes, I'll watch the news for 5 minutes just so I'm aware of what's going on, but then move on. You don't really tend to benefit much else, just basking in the negativity that's all around us. You're not getting anything from that. So don't waste your time. Respect your hours. Use them for good things. Be organized. I am very, very regimented with my day. During the week, I get up at 3, have a bit of protein, a bite to eat. I go and work out from 3:30 to 6:30. Hour and a half cardio, hour and a half weight training. While I'm doing cardio, I'll often watch technical videos. I'm learning. Then I'll shower, have some breakfast, and then from 7 to 5, I'm working. That's work time. 5 to 5:30, eat, hang out with the family a bit. Then I work again till about 7, and then family time. And then 8 o'clock, I go to bed. Every day. Weekend, Saturday, I train for longer. Then family time all day. Sunday, I get up normally 4 a.m. I work from 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. and then hang out with the family. I do the same thing. Have a routine. Make sure you have those quality other interactions. They always say Hey, no one wishes they'd worked more at their deathbed. So spend quality family time. It's important. Have quality downtime for you. We all need to unplug, but make it quality, not half working, half not doing anything. You're not really getting the benefit of either one. So have those slices of time and get quality out of whatever it is you're doing. So we want to be organized. We don't want to procrastinate. Hey, we have jobs, we have things we don't want to do. If your boss asks you to do something, do it and do it well. Do it quickly. Prioritize that stuff. We have to organize. And people often say to me, "Is like, oh, what's the secret? How do you get all this stuff done?" And it really is about not wasting your time. Do quality buckets of time. We all have the same 24 hours. We sleep for 6 or 7 hours. We maybe work for 10 hours. So that's, let's say, 17 hours gone. Maybe there's some travel, you're at 18 hours. We eat, we socialize, we do some things, maybe you're at 20, 21 hours, but you still have a few hours left every day. Now, we all have different commitments. It's easy for me to say that. But if you organize your time, if you use it in productive ways that are meaningful, be it work, be it family, be it relaxing and downtime, you can find an hour a day to do something you care about. It's reading a book, learning a language, doing some exercise. What can be hard is keeping those buckets. We always talk about motivation, and motivation's great. If we have a very strong motivation, it makes it easy to do things because we have this very strong motivation that's going to drive us. Often there's times we don't have motivation, and that's where discipline comes in. Discipline is when we think about what we want most compared to what we want now. What we want most is our vision. What we want now might be to sit on the couch and watch 3 hours of Netflix. What we want most is maybe to lose 5 pounds. What we want now is to really eat that donut. You get the idea. So motivation will get you so far, but you have to have discipline. And that takes time. And the key is to think of what you want most when you're struggling. What is it I want most in my life? That needs to trump maybe what you want now. So really it boils down to you have to put in the work. There is no secret. There's nothing else to do. It's put in the work, prioritize and have quality buckets of time, be it work, be it family, be it downtime. Organize your day. You can probably find some time. People always ask me, how do you find the time? I say, I've never seen Game of Thrones, which is true, I haven't. But I try not to waste my time. Now, again, I watch movies. I hang out with family. We watch movies sometimes. Sometimes I do just waste time, but I try not to. And that's how I get things done. I focus on what I want most, and that drives my time. Until next time, take care.